Recently, I discovered a brand new method that I want to share with you. If you like watching videos online, then this internet strategy is for you. You will be able to make a lot of money just by watching videos on the internet. You can make up to $30,000 a month by simply sharing links on the World Wide Web. You might be skeptical about it and think that it is unrealistic. The best thing about this hack is it is completely free and available worldwide. You do not need any capital and you can work wherever you are. Look at these campaigns. We will use it to earn money on the internet. So stay tuned to know the step-by-step procedure that I follow to earn money online. A reminder before I share this tip, do not forget to like and subscribe to our account for more fantastic financial contents. This is the Online Money Machine, and here I will teach you amazing yet simple ways and tips on how to make money online. Again, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification button to know more about our future money-making contents. Being updated to the latest hacks will let you start earning more money. Lastly, let's make this an interactive learning experience by commenting and posting your questions, comments, reactions, and thoughts in the comment section of the video. To start, proceed to kickbooster.me. Their homepage will look like this. Now, go over the user tab and press on affiliates like this. It will take you to another page where you can read the necessary information about being an affiliate marketer. As you can see, you will be able to make money for sharing the projects that you see from them. You just need to utilize this site to create unique affiliate links of your chosen projects. After that, you need to share it to other people and you will earn money from every successful pledge that the links get. You can share these links on your blog, email, social media accounts, or anywhere you want. Of course, if you can share it with as many people as possible, then you can earn more money. Try to scroll down on their page to see how you can become an affiliate marketer. There are only 4 steps that you need to follow. First, you need to sign up for a free account. The signing up process will not take more than 5 minutes, so it is very easy and convenient for you. The second step is to choose the project that you want to promote. There are many options for you, so try to browse their marketplace and find the best projects that you can share. The third step is to spread the project link. You just need to generate a unique affiliate link which will only take a few clicks to create. Then you need to share it with your network. You can use any platform and marketing technique that you know to share your affiliate link. After that, you just need to wait for your commissions to arrive. Again, you need to share it with as many people as possible to earn more money. I know that it sounds so brief. Do not worry because I will show you the step-by-step procedure on how you can do it. Now, the first step is to create a unique account. To do this, scroll down on the page and press the purple Sign Me Up button located at the bottom part of the page. You will get redirected to another page where you need to fill in the necessary information. Once you are done, accomplish the terms and conditions agreements and tick the I am not a robot box. Just press the submit button afterwards to finish the registration process. After that, you officially have a Kickbooster account. You will get redirected to your dashboard where you will see the amount of money that you have earned from sharing the links. Kindly expect that the initial amount would be 0 because you just started your account. It will increase as you share your links to people. The next thing that you need to do is to look for projects. Just press the Marketplace tab to see the site's marketplace. Try to scroll down and browse the site to see the available projects. There is also a category section on the left side of the screen, so you can choose from it. This site contains a wide range of products that you can promote. They have beauty and personal care products, fashion goods, food, games, health, and many more options. Just choose from these categories to view the available projects. I have some suggestions on the categories that you should choose. They will give you the most amount of money that you can earn from this site because they are in-demand products or services. The categories are everyday carry, design, and games. They have products that you can promote online. Of course, they will pay you a lot of money for doing so. Now, I also have a bonus tip for you. Find this drop-down menu. Then sort this filter from commission high to low. Once you are done, the site will arrange and show you the products that will give you the highest commission possible. Try to scroll down on the result page to see the products that offer the highest commission rates. Again, you do not need to do a lot of things. You just need to share the affiliate links and let people click on it. Then, you will receive your commission rate for every click that the link gets. It's really awesome, right? You just need to choose a product and share it on the internet. I will give you an example. I will choose this product for this video. As you can see, it has a high commission rate. When you press it, you will get redirected to another page where you can find all the relevant information about the product. As you can see, it has a 30% commission rate. Hence, you will be able to earn 30% of the amount of money that they can raise from this campaign. You just need to press the View Campaign button to see the details about the project. It is an awesome product that you know a lot of people will be interested in. They will surely click the link if you share it with them. One of the best things about this project is that you only need 3 to 4 people to click this link to earn your cut. To promote the said product, you just need to press this button. Then, the site will generate a unique affiliate link for you. You just need to copy it and share it with as many people as possible. As a gift, I will also share with you some traffic sources where you can share your link. A lot of people choose these sites. Hence, you will have a larger audience for your link. The first one is called Quora.com. I know I have told you about it before, but it is a site where people ask questions and other people answer them. To share your link on Quora, you just need to type new technology on its search bar. After that, you will see various threads where people talk about this topic. You can share your product with them as they are also interested in the same thing. You can do this by replying to their posts and pasting your link in it. The second site where you can share your link is Facebook. You just need to search technology enthusiasts on your Facebook account. After that, you need to join various groups that talk about technology. Try to interact with the group by posting and sharing your affiliate link to them. Once they see and click it, you will receive your commission. Again, you can share your link over and over so that you can earn more money. This is a really simple technique to earn money online. You just need to share some links and wait for it to gain some traffic. After that, you will earn your commission rate. It is really easy. So, what are you waiting for? Start your own online money-making journey now. This is Online Money Machine, and do not forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to know more about how to make money online.